Hello and welcome to NFT Highlight. In this video, we will learn about NFT 2.0, the next version of NFTs. The NFT era started with the Bored Ape Yacht Club, CryptoPunks, and other NFT 1.0 projects that were nothing more than pictures on blockchains. But like every other form of technology, NFTs can be better and upgrade to become improved versions. So, what is NFT 2.0? What changed from NFT 1.0 to NFT 2.0? How do these features make NFT 2.0 better? Let's find out. So what is NFT 2.0? To begin with, NFT 2.0 is not completely different from NFT 1.0. In fact, the latter cannot operate independently of the former. And to be more precise, NFT 2.0 simply embeds new capabilities into the existing NFT infrastructure. Putting the aforementioned into context, while NFT 1.0 enables ownership and commercialization of tokenized digital items, NFT 2.0 extends the possibilities by creating new digital assets markets with advanced utilities. A glorious example of NFT 2.0 in action is Kanaria. Kanaria is an NFT project built by the RMRK team. Now, the really fascinating thing about the hatching process was that the look of the birds that hatched was influenced by the emotes that were sent to the egg on change. This was the first instance of conditional rendering ever executed on change. Each bird owns various items and gems. The items are nested NFTs that belong to the bird. Bird holders can customize their birds however they wish. What changed from NFT 1.0 to NFT 2.0? So what's different about this iteration? You may ask. Essentially, NFT 2.0 has three major properties including extensibility, upgradability, and dynamism that distinguish it from its predecessor. Extensibility, to be considered a 2.0 variant, it must be extensible, meaning it's able to connect to other NFTs or projects in a meaningful, useful way. Thus, an NFT can be linked to another NFT and still hold fungible tokens, and it can be linked to any other arbitrary dataset. Upgradability. These capabilities allow NFTs to be modified in the future by adding metadata, upgrading the artwork it is associated with, etc. Dynamism. This feature makes NFT more powerful by equipping them to give commands and execute modification to other NFTs associated with it. It can even tweak the look of the connected NFTs. How do these features make NFT 2.0 better? Nested NFTs. Nesting of NFTs mean that one NFT can own other NFTs. NFT 2.0 protocol developer RMRK has created infinite nesting, which translates to one NFT owning other NFTs, which further own more NFTs. Nested NFTs find use in the metaverse, gaming, art, virtual exhibition, etc. Customized NFTs. NFT 1.0 only associate a single resource to the token. This means no matter where the NFT is being viewed, it will appear the same to everyone. NFT 2.0 allows each token to be linked with multiple designs. Smart NFTs. Unlike NFT 1.0, the upgrade versions allow smart contracts to become linked with NFTs. Thus, when the NFT changes ownership, the smart contract would automatically modify the ownership data on a token while ensuring that the creator of the NFT gets a royalty every time the asset changes hands. Co-owned NFTs. NFT 1.0 allow assets to be owned by a singular entity. However, with NFT 2.0, multiple owners can pitch in and own a stake in NFT. This allows aspiring owners with a fund deficit to take part ownership of the underlying assets. NFT rental model. NFT 2.0 goes beyond just ownership and lets collectors lease the underlying asset through smart contracts to other people. Since renting an asset generates a passive income for the owner, this model improves the liquidity in an otherwise illiquid market. These added features and functionality makes NFT smarter, more reactive, and adaptive. All of that draw us to the question, is NFT 2.0 really superior compared to its old versions? Is the current applicability of NFT 2.0 really revolutionary? NFT 2.0 is definitely going to the future. The NFT space has not yet realized its immense potential. This current iteration of NFT shows us that provable ownership is even more valuable than we thought. The next iteration of NFTs or NFT 2.0 will punctuate the fact that tokens can revolutionize our approach to every vertical of life, from marketing to healthcare and everything in between. As major brands continue to foray into the space, it is crucial that they are carefully ushered into Web3 so they can understand the impact of their NFT initiative and how to dream bigger when thinking of tokens. NFT 2.0 are built for the mainstream. The current iteration of NFTs is not designed for mainstream consumption. The onboarding system isn't smooth for consumer. The volatility is damaging to true fans, and it skews the artist-fans relationship. There is too much dissonance between the sticker price of an NFT and the value it is able to provide consumer, and many collections are seeing rough demand shocks as they fail to execute on their roadmaps. The core NFT buyer is becoming savior to rug pulls and scams, which mean they are less likely to mint new collections. As the vaporware gets wiped out during a bear cycle, the anti-fragile companies that can weather the storm when shifting from Web 2 to Web 3 will thrive. This has important implications whether you're building in the space, a potential user, or an investor. This space is going to grow up fast and evolve quickly. Don't blink or you might miss it. In this video, we have covered the basic of what NFT 2.0 is, what changed from NFT 1.0 to NFT 2.0, how do these features make NFT 2.0 better, and the superiority of NFT 2.0 compared to the old versions. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel so you get future NFTs highlight videos just like this one. Thanks for watching and we hope to see you in the next one.